How to fix Windows 11 reset stuck at number. Now in this video, if you're trying to reset your Windows 11 and you're currently stuck and not getting into 100%, here's how you can fix those. Now before resetting your Windows 11, here are some simple steps before you go ahead and reset it again. So just simply go into your Windows search and type in CMD. Right click and make sure to run this as an administrator, and then hit on yes. Now, once you have this, these are going to be the commands that you need to execute, which is first is sfc space forward slash scan now. Now, once you hit on enter from your CMD or your command prompt, it's going to take for a while, like around 2 to 3 minutes, for it to be completed scanning your PC or your laptop. And then once it is fully done, use this second command right here. That's going to be dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Again, once you execute that command, it's going to take for a while, around 2 to 3 minutes this time, and you just need to wait for it and do not interrupt while it is restoring the health of your operating system. And that's it. That's how you fix Windows 11 stock at reset at a number.